I am Ed Larson. I am a historian of science. I've been delighted to be invited to the University of Texas, Dallas on my second trip here because Dr. Stone has endowed a lectureship and a whole program in biomedical history, and he asked me, he urged them to invite me as his inaugural lecturer, which I consider a great honor.
When I was a young physician, it was evident to me that two areas were particularly prominent: medical history and the humanities seemed to be important. Dennis Kratz and I taught a course for undergraduate honor students in the Arts and Humanities School on medical history, and that led to the idea of trying to sponsor a lectureship in arts and humanities.
Talking to Dr. Stone and Kathy about this potential opportunity, and I think they could see this was something that I was very passionate about, and it was a really tremendous way to get students exposed to something that otherwise they wouldn't be exposed to. None of us got to where we are in our careers, in our research areas. None of that happened without people coming before us that have made such a difference.
Education is about learning. And in pre-med, you learn about diseases and illnesses and treatments, but you also learn the more experience you bring. And so whenever a person comes in, whether it's a lecturer in philosophy or political science or music, it further broadens a person. And if by broadening the person, that's what the whole purpose of higher education is.
I think that it will be useful in a recurring way. I'd like for it to be of interest not only to students, but also to the community. I'd like to have the community know more about UTD and what goes on here. It's a marvelous place.
He wants to make better medicine, better doctors, and he wants to help University of Texas, Dallas students and their future patients. And I believe in his dream.
Obviously everybody's heard about Pulitzer Prizes, but actually getting to talk to one, getting up front and center with one, is another experience entirely.
The current dean of the honors program here is a medical historian, and that's just exciting because now you've got the synergies of this really active, intelligent, engaged dean who really cares about education and students, combining with resources provided by Dr. Stone. That's an opportunity to move ahead. And in any institution, it's very hard to make a difference. They can.